Hello YouTube, Dion from Tech with the unboxing of the TP-Link portable 3G and 4G wireless router. So this little device is really ideal for anyone that wants to use his 3G and 4G USB stick and access internet virtually anywhere, and it is compatible with all your portable devices. You can use a USB port to power this one. That is overall a really nice and portable device. Now this is important, it has a 3 years warranty, which is great. So let's open up this box and check the product itself. Now this was all covered with a cellophane, but okay, we have just to open this part here and voila, here is the product itself. So let's check this tiny and portable device here. First of all, we have the USB port that is for a 3G or 4G USB stick to be connected here. This is the model TL-MR3020, and after peeling this glossy surface, you can see here we have the light indications of network connection. On the rear side we have the USB power, an Ethernet port and a switch that toggles between different connection modes. That is it, so let's check what else is in the box. So here we have some protective packaging, and here we have the manuals. There's a quick installation guide there in various languages. That is really useful. You should check this one. And we also have some extra documentation here. This seems to be a specification list. You can check everything at the TP-Link site, and some extra cables. There's a USB power cable here with a typical end and the other to enter to the USB port here, so that you can power this small device, and an Ethernet cable that seems to be a bit short, but for a portable device like this one I guess you won't need a really long cable, but it's a really nice touch when a required cable is always included. So this one is for connecting your device with an Ethernet port with the router. Now other than that, inside the box we'll find some more documentation, and after that the box is finally empty. This last paperwork includes a warranty, I guess, and here we have a quick installation guide that we can open right now. Okay, this is a foldable type one, so we have to unfold it and fully see the whole procedure of how to connect your USB and your power with the router. One should follow exactly the procedure as it is described here, and I can see already a lot of usages for this portable device. Some frequently asked questions for troubleshooting here. Overall, this is a really nifty little gadget that connecting the Ethernet like that with your device can access to a 3G or 4G network or wirelessly and access internet everywhere. So this was the unboxing of the TP-Link portable 3G and 4G router. Feel free to leave us a like, subscribe, and as always from Tech, thank you for watching.